Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make Chick-fil-A's honey roasted barbecue sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for tuning in. If this is your first time joining in, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button right down there and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Chick-fil-A honey roasted barbecue sauce. So let's hit down here and see what our ingredients are. We are going to be starting out with a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Let's start mixing. Alright, as always, make sure you got a bowl big enough to keep all your ingredients in. We're going to start out with mayonnaise, barbecue sauce. Now I'm using a Kansas City style barbecue sauce, tomato based, not a lot of vinegar, it's not a lot of mustard, and it is not a white sauce as well like the Alabama barbecue sauces. Look for a nice tomato based barbecue sauce to use in this, because you are adding ketchup and you are adding mustard as well. We just dumped our honey in there. Now we're going to hit our mustard in there, and then our ketchup is last. And then you can check the description box down there as well to get all the measurements for all these ingredients. They will be down there in the description box along with some other groovy stuff. We're gonna mix this all up real well. And there you have the Chick-fil-A honey roasted barbecue sauce. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.